DIY Honeymooners. Today we're going to show you the proper metal flashing that goes underneath your floor sill for your own sunroom install. So first things first, let's just kind of work with a smaller piece here. We'll cut this down to size. By the way, if you do not have a metal brake, which you probably won't if you're doing this on your own, you can rent something like this from Home Depot. It works perfectly in its own cutter. Probably just a few $100s for the day, which is all you need it for. So what we have right here, the profile that we're going to do, it's going to be a little different. First, let's just take some measurements here. We're going to start at a 3/4 inch mark. Mark it on both sides. And you put it in your brake. And right here where this lines up, that's where you want to line up your marks. Kyle, you can come in here and take a look. You see how these marks are where I need them to be? That's how I know I'm getting my straight line. And you don't have to be perfect. Just be right on. I'm going to back bend this more than a 90 degree. Okay? This is going to be a wall that sits under my sill, so if water tries to get in, it's going to hit that wall and it can't penetrate my room. Very important to start with that. Next measurement I'm going to do, let's just call it, I don't know, 4 inches into the room underneath my floor sill track. So I'll mark it again, 4 inches from my actual bend. See what I'm doing here. Put it back in. And right there. This one I am going to do a 90 degree, so notice I'm not going the whole way. I'm just getting it to stand straight up. Probably right there. So you can see what I'm doing. I have my deck essentially sitting right here. This is going to be the edge of my deck. Now, I can pretty much either cut this off to just be 1 inch. I can fold it back if I want. I could even do a little angle coming off. Typically, I just cut it back. And there. That's the profile that you're going to go for when flashing underneath your floor sills. Thanks.